This is our makerspace, so students can come here to work on any class projects as well as just have a creative outlet and a place to relieve some stress. So over here we have some of our more popular activities. We have our button making, magnet making, crocheting, and hand embroidery. And then over here we have our paper crafts, or if you want to use the heat press, we have transfer papers, Cricut papers, and for that you would use this heat press. And we also have these Cricut machines, and we also got a new hat press if you wanted to print on a hat. And over here we have our 3D printing machines. We have 2 available. So if you wanted to print something like this, you can find a design online or you can make a design on your own. And then over here we also have a laser cutter, so you can use either plastic or wood, so you can also make a design or just find one online. Here we have our soldering station. A lot of chemistry students or tech students just come over here to program things. So we have wires and things like that. And then over here is our jewelry station where you can make necklaces, bracelets, and keychains. And over here we have our book making. So we have a book press right here. And we have our supplies like threads and hole punchers and all of that. We will hold bookmaking workshops throughout the year, so you can find workshops that are posted on this wall over here. So in the makerspace, we have 3 sewing machines and 1 embroidery machine. The sewing machines all have instructions on a QR code you can scan, and it'll show you written directions as well as a video tutorial. Right now, the seniors are decorating their stoles for graduation, and they're just taking them through the steps of how to decorate their stoles using the embroidery machines. I hope to see you here this semester by Athenians.